Another word that you should add to your vocabulary is the word inevitable. Inevitable means unable to be avoided, evaded, or escaped. Inevitable is a noun. Here are some sentences with the word inevitable. The company going bankrupt was inevitable. This means that the company had problems and going bankrupt was unavoidable or could not be escaped. Here's another sentence. It appears that a rise in interest rates is inevitable. Again, this means that the rise in interest rates cannot be avoided. Inevitable can also be used as an adjective. It was an inevitable conclusion that the company would go bankrupt. Here's another sentence. Accidents are the inevitable results of drunk driving. When people drink and drive, it is often unavoidable that accidents will happen. Inevitably is the adverb form. Inevitably, the social media spread the word about the bankruptcy. The decision will inevitably lead to more problems. We often use the phrase, will inevitably lead to. Inevitability is another noun form of this word. The inevitability of the bankruptcy was looming. And here's one more. The family was trying to accept the inevitability of the death of their grandfather. It appeared that the death of their grandfather could not be avoided. Inevitableness is another noun form. The inevitableness of the bankruptcy was difficult to accept. Another is the inevitableness of the fact that the company president would need to make a decision. The company president could not avoid having to make a decision. Inevitable used as a noun, inevitable used as an adjective, inevitably, inevitability, inevitableness are all ways that this word can be used. Try using some of these words to help improve your vocabulary. I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. Happy writing!